What's up, guys? Okay, we were at Dairy Queen, and my friend was like, dog, what if we got a chili dog Reese's, or a chili dog McFlurry? I was like, you guys got a chili dog McFlurry, right? And they were like, I don't know, but we can make that for you. I was like, yes, please. And so now I have a chili dog McFlurry. I don't know, this is what it looks like. I don't know what the heck they thought of putting chili in the cup. and they just mixed ice cream with it, I guess. So here we go. This is what it looks like, isn't it? And it's a beaut. Oh man, got a chunk of meat in there and everything. Yes. Oh, this is so nasty.